If you're considering Deltek Vision for your construction management needs, here are 12 things you should know before making that decision. This software offers a range of features, but is it the best choice for your business? Let's find out as we compare it to competitors and cover the essential details. First thing you should know, Deltek Vision has a strong focus on financial management, offering comprehensive budgeting, accounting, and project cost tracking. If financial reporting and transparency are a top priority for your business, this could be a good fit. However, competitors like Procore or Buildertrend might offer more intuitive user interfaces and better integrations with other tools. Next thing to note, Deltek Vision's reporting capabilities are robust, but they can be a bit overwhelming for users who aren't familiar with the software. It's great for detailed, customized reports, but it might require some learning curve, unlike more user-friendly competitors. The third thing to consider is its project management functionality. Deltek Vision shines when it comes to handling complex project details, like scheduling and resource management. But if you're looking for a more collaborative, real-time project management experience, you might find tools like Procore or CoConstruct more suited for your needs. Next, let's talk about integration. Deltek Vision integrates with other Deltek solutions, but falls short when it comes to third-party integrations. While it works well within its own ecosystem, it may be more limited compared to competitors like Buildertrend, which offers better connections to a wide variety of software used in construction. The fifth thing, Deltek Vision is known for its strong CRM capabilities. It helps track client relationships and leads, but its CRM features aren't as intuitive or modern as those offered by other options, like Procore, which has a more streamlined approach to customer management. Now, the sixth point is about ease of use. Deltek Vision is powerful, but not always the easiest to navigate. Its user interface can feel a bit outdated compared to sleek, modern alternatives like Buildertrend, which places emphasis on an intuitive, user-friendly experience. Seventh thing, Deltek Vision provides solid mobile access, allowing field teams to access essential project data. However, its mobile experience doesn't feel as polished as other construction management tools that prioritize mobile-first solutions for team collaboration. The eighth thing, customer support with Deltek Vision is generally reliable, but the service can be slow compared to more immediate 24/7 support options available with other competitors in the market. If you value rapid support, this might be something to keep in mind. Next thing to consider, Deltek Vision offers scalability, which is crucial for growing businesses. However, compared to platforms like Procore, its scalability is a bit more challenging due to its complex setup and the need for more manual configurations. The 10th thing, Deltek Vision offers an impressive suite of functionalities tailored for construction firms, but some users report it can be overly complex for small to mid-sized firms. It's great for large businesses, but may not be the most cost-effective option for smaller companies. The 11th thing is security. Deltek Vision offers solid security protocols, making sure your data is protected. However, other solutions in the market, like Procore, have more up-to-date security measures that are continuously updated to adapt to new risks. The 12th and final point, Deltek Vision is priced on the higher side compared to competitors like Buildertrend, which can offer many of the same features at a lower cost. If budget is a key concern for you, you might want to consider other options that offer a better price-to-value ratio. In conclusion, Deltek Vision is a strong choice, especially for larger firms that need a robust financial management system and detailed reporting. But if you're looking for something more user-friendly, flexible, and cost-effective, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.